Hi guys, and welcome back to part 2 of Playing the Dropper. And now, let's get started! And before we started, and I'm so happy that I can make another video of this playing the Dropper. And this is actually a part of playing this game, and we are in the level 60, and we have to do 75 level to complete this game. So, wish me luck to completing this game in this video. So, bye guys! And what do you mean? Okay. Let's get started, guys. So, let's go here. One, two, three, go! Woo! Okay, guys. So, we are here in the level 60. So, let's go here. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh, wait! Yo! Oh, wait, that's so close! Bro, that's crazy that I just do it in those pressure, but I just die in the inside of it. Wait. Again. Come on! Oh wait! Ah! Oh go! Let's go! Level 761. Oh, in this lane, okay? Oh no! Ah! Oh my god! Let's go! First try! Level 62. Come on! Come on! Yes! Yes! What? It's paint. I thought that's the okay. I thought that's the thing. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it again. Come on. Yes, bro. I didn't make it. Oh my god. Again. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Finally. Okay. Level 63. Oh my god. This is okay. What? Okay. I'm confused. Damn. This is the loot. Okay. This is hard. This is hard. Bro. This is so hard. Okay, again. What? Bro, did I touch the French fries? Bro, bro, my eyesight is so bad. Okay, again. Oh my god, I have to lock in, again. Bro, oh my god, I keep dying. Okay. Oh my. Okay, again. Bro, why? I keep dying. Oh my god. Bro, what I'm doing? Again. Lock in. Bro! Again. Oh my goodness! Again. Oh my. Finally, I beat it. That's level 63. Oh my god, that's so hard. Okay, what's this? Music level? Okay. Bro, what the hell I'm doing right now? Lock in. Bro, this is so hard. Uh, oh my god. Again. Come on! Yes, let's go! Okay, let's level 65. I'm halfway. I'm so close beating it. Level 66. Okay, wait. What is this? I don't know what level is this. Okay. I'm at bro! And I just die. I thought I'm gonna make it, but I just die. Oh my god. Again. Yes, I beat it. Level 67. 67. Oh my god. 67. 67. 67. 67. 67. Oh. Oh my god, that's so close. I almost died. Okay. 6 6 9 6 8 oh my god. Wait, yo, that's oh my 6 9 Okay, lock in. No trolling. Oh my. Oh, whoa, that's fast. That's so fast. Okay, again. Oh, what? Bro, that's the. Oh my god. How do I keep dying? Bro, I didn't even. Bro. Fine. Let's go. We're so close beating it. We need to beat 5 more level and we complete this game. Let's go. We have to beat 5. We have to reach 5 levels to complete this game. Okay. Lock in. Yes. 4 more level. Okay, where's this? Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh, is this Freddy Fazbear? Yeah, it's Freddy Fazbear. Look in. Oh my god, die. Ah! I keep dying this game. Oh my god, this is just freaking stupid. Come on! Yes, I beat it! Let's go! Okay, is this the B? Oh, okay, it's B. B section. No, it's the section. Come on. Wait, go here! Yeah, oh my god, I'm so close! Only like few inches and I can beat it. Oh my god, that guy just died. Bro, stop! I keep dying this freaking dropper. Yes! Finally, I can. Oh, yes! Let's go! 2 more level! Oh my god, immediately die. Oh, wait, this is the forest. Nice. I'm actually a Aquarius and I actually like nature. Yeah, I like nature a lot, but my mom is also a Aquarius, but they feel like putting the chemical on grass. So yeah. Okay, come on. Wait, oh my god, I'm so stupid. It's not, bro, it's at 135 level, not 75 level. Okay, how stupid. Okay, again. This is so dumb. Okay, again. Come on. Yes! Yes! Let's go. Okay, 60. Wait, it's not 60. Yeah, yeah, it's 60. 60 more level, 60 halfway. Bro, we're so close. Halfway to go. Halfway. Okay, come on. Yes. Yeah. Bro, it's so hard. It's so hard to like look at the words that thing. Yeah, it's very hard. Okay. Yes. Let's go. Yay. Oh, bruh. Oh my God. That's Ah! Oh, wait. Damn, that's crazy. Again. Yes, I passed it. Let's go. And we beat it. Let's go. Easy peasy. Piece of cake. Oh wait, this is easy. Yeah, it's easy. Oh wait. Oh wait a minute. Yeah! Bruh. I have to respawn because I'm out of mapa. Mapa. I have to beat it in the second. Can I beat it in the second try? I think I can. Bro, I keep missing the thing. Yeah, the teleport thing. What's this? Wait, someone said I really can't pass this. Can someone help me? I can see where's the next piece is. Is this bro? Is this bot like yeah? He's bot. Not girl, he's bot. Bro, he's bot. Why he sound like bot? I don't know. Wait, how many times did he just try in this lobby? Bro, that's bot. Bro, that what? Bro, this is bot. Like, bro, this is kind of like very. Bro, I don't know. I think it's bot or not. Probably I'm just overreacting. Yeah. But again, come on. Or probably YouTuber just acting a bacon. Yeah, probably YouTuber or just acting. Yeah. Probably. Can you do it? What do you mean? You cannot have 2 players. Oh my god, I keep dying this freaking level. Bro, how? Bro. Chum 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 chum. Yes, finally! I feel like trying for like a billion Brazilian times. Okay, finally. Okay. First try? Oh my god, that's so close. Bruh. Okay, again. Chum 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 chum. Let's go, level 80. Yay! 50 levels to go. Let's go. 50 level to go. Okay. Uh-oh. Come on. Yes! How many now I gotta know? Chum, 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 chum. Bro. How many gotta know? Chum, chum. Oh, this is Among Us. Yeah, it's Among Us. Oh my god, that's so cool, bro. I almost hit the yellow thingy. Yeah. Okay, again. Let's beat it again. Oh my god, I know. Bro. I don't know. Chum, 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 chum. Okay, again. Look in! Bro, I didn't. Bro, Bro, I didn't notice that. Again. Look in! Bro! Again. Come on. Come on. Yes! Let's go! I beat it finally. Okay, next. What's this? I don't know. Whoa! Whoa! Wait! Ah! I die. I keep dying this level. Okay, wait, lock in! Lock in! Whoa! Yo! That's a close! Oh! Bro! Why I keep dying this level Level Oh! Wait, that's a close! Wait, yo! That's crazy! I almost died from that. Okay, again. Let me try full screen if I can. Bruh. Are you kidding me? I just died from that? Okay, again. Bro, are you kidding? Wait, that's a close. Here, finally. Okay, level 50. Level 85, let's go. I'm so close. I'm so close. Okay. Level 55, 45 level to go. Yes. I'm so close. Uh-oh. Come on. Yes! Bro, that's so close. I'm so close. Okay, again. Coming down, gonna shoom. Yes! How did I just die from that? But I make it. At least I make it. Let's go. Oh wait, is this the city? Yeah, it's city. Coming down, gonna shoom. Oh my, what the hell is this? Oh my god. Oh, I that's right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that's oh my. How did you just bruh? Okay, again. Okay. Bro, I'm not hacking. What do you mean hack? That's okay. What do you mean hack? That's me. Oh! Again. Logan! Bruh! Man, going gonna show! I just die. Bro, I think I should stop singing because I keep dying when I sing. So let me try to stop. See? When I sing, I lose, but when I don't sing, I won. I wish I won. Like, yeah. Okay, again. Yeah, never mind. I thought when I sing, I lose, but never mind. Wait! Oh my god! Wow, that's crazy. Oh wait, we're already in the level 91. Okay, so 39 level to go. Okay, 39 level to go. Then this is hard. Harder. Bro. Harder. Like for harder like a eel, like a I know shatter like a cinema. Run. Hey me, it's the only drew breakfast in Medina. Agun, about to break to your finger. This is stay. Yes! 38 level to go! Dog part ahead. Okay, I know that. Just shut up. Bro, I'm so close! How did I not make it? Oh my god. Okay, I have to make. I have to go here. Oh, oh. Bro, that's so close. One each and I make it. Oh my god. I can die from that. Oh my god. What the hell is that avatar? Bro, what's wrong with this avatar? Oh my god. Oh. Yes. Yes! Let's go! 37 level to go. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm kind of raging. No, me don't gonna die. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so let me speed up because it's taking way too long. So, see you guys in 134 level. Okay, guys, I'm back and we're in the level 34. Let's go! Bro, I've been playing for like hours. Like, I literally play I literally play for hours. I don't know what time, but I literally just play for hours, bro. I've been playing for like a long time, but I finally reached 134. So let's go. Let's go. Oh, is this Yeah, it's calculator. Okay, again, bro. Wait, wait. Bro, this red is it's so hard, bro. I literally play for like 1 hour, and bro, it's so hard to play this game. It's like it's getting harder and harder every time you beat the level. Yeah. Right. Oh my god, Madonna. Chun, 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 chun. No! god. Bro. Again. Yes! One more level and I'm gonna beat this game. Oh my god. One more level and I'm gonna beat this game. Why did we go? Okay. Come on. Oh my god. Bro. And there's a lot of that. Oh my god. Okay, chill. Bro, and there's a lot of the. Oh my god. Level 35 is very hard. Like, so. Bro, this is like impossible to beat this, bro. In level 35, 135 is impossible to beat this. Like, it probably take like 1 hour to beat this game, not gonna lie. Bro, it probably take like a 1 hour, hours to beat this game. Probably 7 or 6, 7, yeah. Bro, I'm so close. Bro, should I use Robux for the skip? Should I skip? Nah, I'm not skipping. I'm just kidding. Probably. I don't know. It's taking way too long. No, I'm so close. Bro, I'm so close. Bro, what the hell? Ah, again. No! I'm so close. Only 1 inch away. Come on. Bro, what the hell is... Bro, why it's very hard to beat this game? Oh my god. Oh my god! Bro, what the hell is so hard? Bro! How do I keep dying this freaking level? Come on! Yes! Wait, is there more? Oh, it said yes, that this level is difficult. It's the final level. Are you sure about that? If this not, I'm gonna, report this. Report the developer. No, I'm just kidding. I cannot report the developer. Okay. Excuse me, is this hard? Like, it's not really hard though. Probably, okay. Yes! Oh my god, finally guys, I finally beat this game, let's go! And I complete the level, let's go! Wait guys, before I end this video, I'm gonna do some shoutouts. Okay guys, wait, let me find them. Okay, wait, let me find that. I forgot what's their name, wait, let me find them. Wait guys, I'm finding the name of them, forgot what's their name. What's their name? I forgot, guys. Sorry. I have to I have to take a look. Oh, shout outs to congratulations! Shout out to Banita Murang them 4078. Congratulations! Congratulations! And if you want guys another video of this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. See you next video. Bye.